Welcome students, subject Mathematics Standard 8th. Content Part 2, Chapter number 15, Area, Practice Set 15.6. Points to remember. Suppose we have a circle of radius r and diameter d, then area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r pi d. That means 22 upon 7 into diameter. Question number 1. Radius of the circle are given below. Find their areas. Question number 1. Here they given the radius is equal to 28 centimeter. Now we want to find out area of the circle. So you know the formula. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So you know the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So you know the radius 28. So pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28. So when we simplify, we will get 2464 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to 2464 square centimeter is the answer. Question number 2. They given radius 10.5 centimeter. So you know the formula, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So that is equal to pi into 10.5 square. That is equal to, you know the value of pi, 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So when we simplify, we will get the answer 346.5 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to 346.5 square centimeter is the answer. Question number 3. Here they given the radius 17.5 centimeter. Therefore, you know the formula, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That is equal to pi into 17.5 square. That is equal to 22 upon 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. When we divide, we will get 962.5 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to 962.5 square centimeter is the answer. Question number 2. Areas of some circles are given below. Find their diameters. Question number 1a. Here they given the area is equal to 176 square centimeter. So you know the formula. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That is equal to, area is already given. So 176 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 176 into 7 upon 22. When we simplify, we will get 56 centimeter. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 56 centimeter. Therefore, d is equal to 2 into r. That is equal to 2 into square root of 56 is the answer. Therefore, diameter of the circle is equal to 2 square root of 56 is the centimeter is the answer. Here, question number 2, area is they given 394.24 square centimeter. You know the formula, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Therefore, 394.24 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 394.24 into 7 upon 22. When we simplify, we will get 125.44. So, r is equal to square root of 125.44. So, r is equal to 11.2. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2r. That means 2 into 11.2. That is equal to 22.4 is the answer. Therefore, diameter of the circle is equal to 22.4 centimeter is the answer. Question number 3. Area they given 12,474 square centimeter. You know the formula. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Therefore, area already you know 12,474 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 12,474 into 7 upon 22. When we divide, we will get 3,969. R square is equal to 3,969. Then R is equal to square root of 3,969, that is equal to 63. Therefore, R is equal to 63. Then diameter is equal to 2 into R, that is equal to 2 into 63 is equal to 126 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of the circle is equal to 126 centimeter is the answer. Question number 3. Diameter of the circular garden is 42 meter. There is a 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. Find the area of the road. Here, diameter of the garden D is equal to 42 meter. Radius, that means radius is equal to R is equal to 21 meter. Small letter r. Diameter of the garden including the road, that means 42 plus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is equal to 49 meter. So capital R radius of the garden with the road, that means capital R is equal to 24.5 meter. Therefore, area of the road is equal to area of garden with road minus area of garden, that is equal to pi r capital R square minus pi small r square. Capital R square means radius of the garden with the road, that you have to understand. Now, therefore, pi, we have to take the pi common out. So r capital R square minus small r square, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 24.5 the whole square minus 21 the whole square, that is equal to 600.25 minus 441, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 159.25. When we simplify, we will get 500.50 square meter is the answer. Therefore, radio of road is equal to 500.50 square meter is the answer. Question number 4. Find the area of the circle if its circumference is 88 centimeter. Now, circumference is 88 centimeter given in the question. You know the formula of circumference. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So, 2 pi r is equal to 88. Then, r is equal to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 88 we will divided by 22, we will get 4. So, 4 into 7 upon 2. So, 4 we will divided by 2, we will get 2. So, 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, we want to find out the area of the circle, that is equal to, you know the formula, pi r square. So, 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. When we simplify, we will get 616 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to 616 square centimeter is the answer. Thank you.